In this video, I'm going to show you the right way to create Alipay account step-by-step tutorial without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end and see how to have a rightful Alipay account that will not have any issue. Okay, so let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure your link on 1688, Tauba or Pinduoduo, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, feel free to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. So, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this about Alipay topic. So with that being said, so let's dive into tutorial and see how to create a successful Alipay account step-by-step tutorial. So let's begin. So if you are using iPhone, you just have to follow the same step. If you are using Android phone, it's all the same step. What you need to do is to follow the step I'm taking in this video. So let's begin. So if you are using Android phone, what you need to do is to head over to your Google, to your Play Store right here. So I'm going to click on here to access my Play Store. Next thing I'm going to do is to make use of search bar right here. I will have to type in Alipay. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on install. After it's successful installed, next thing you need to do is to click on open, then click on agree, then click on allow. Then right here, change your country code from this point right here. So I'm going to click on that and change to my country code. Then you have to look for your country right here. Then enter phone number is the same thing as your Alipay account number. So enter your phone number. Having entered your phone number, click on next. Then right here, click on agree. Then click on agree. Then enter your Alipay code. So the code here is 332078. 332078. Then you will be taken in just like what you see right here in Alipay. All right, so this is not a end to Alipay account creation. Let me walk you through step by step on what are the things you can do in Alipay and how you can understand some stuff right here. Okay, so right here, this search bar right here, it's meant for when you are searching for Alipay account number or you want to add friend in your Alipay. Okay, so that is that. Then for the same icon right here, it means transfer. If you want to send money from one Alipay to another Alipay, this is what you need to do as far as transfer is concerned. So what you want to do that, if you want to do that, just click on transfer and enter the person Alipay account number. And then at the bottom right here, this is where you have your Alipay message, such as transaction or any service message from Alipay is going to be found right here. Okay, and then the next one right here is where you have me icon. So under this me icon, this is where you access your profile. So this, all the information about your profile is going to be found right here, such as your membership status, your protection center, your transaction history is going to be found here, your free account protection is here, then your balance here, your this and bank card, etc. So all these things here is for your account. If you want to change your profile picture, you can click on here and enter add a new profile picture. Or you want to change your name, you can just click on here to change your name. If I click on that now, you're going to see, click here to set your new name if you will like. And for the identity verification, you can simply click on here to click on view now for you to see how you can verify. You want to change the profile picture, you can click on here to add a new profile picture to your account. So that is for the profile and the general information about your profile. So let's quickly go back home. So for the home right here, there are limited to what you can do right here, most especially if you are a foreigner using an Alipay. So there are limits to what you can do. only what you can do right here is that you can use transfer button if you have fund in your Alipay balance. You can use scan to make a payment if you have fund in your Alipay account. So while the rest of the information right here is meant for people in Chinese or a Chinese citizen. So this is what I have for you guys step by step on how you can create a successful Alipay account. In my next video, I will make more video about how you verify, how you top up, and how you can use your Alipay for procurement and shipping business from China or what have you. So this is going to be my next video. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, consider to click on the subscribe button for more tutorial about Alipay topic. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, or on Pinduoduo, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.